Okay, my friends, so one more column here. We're going to do total cost, including the 7.5% sales tax. All right, and that doesn't quite fit, so we'll do, actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to word wrap it, so we'll just drag this. There we go. And let me try actually typing this so that it doesn't look like a weird fraction. Everything else spelled right? I think it is. Okay, good. All right, so what we're going to do is instead of having two formulas here, we're gonna get that entire thing, this 2521, into that cell without having to add the 2345 plus the 176. So this cell was this plus this. I want to be able to go straight from 2345 to 2521 without having that intermediate cell of 1.76. So honestly, there's a couple ways I can think to do this. I'm going to show you two, and you can pick your favorite. One is to do, okay, that's the total plus the total times 0.075. And if you think about it, right, that's what we did in two cells. The C5 that I have in the front is like column C, obviously. And then the C5 times 0.075 part is the column D part. So that formula right there is combining both things using that plus sign. And again, order of operations, it's doing the 0.075 times the C5 first, and you can drag it down. And that'll tell you the numbers match because it's the same math that's happening. So that's one way to do it. I'm going to show you one other way. I'm going to copy the title. Another way. And some students like this, some students hate it. So I'm going to let you decide if you like it or hate it. You could actually do the entire thing without having to use C5 twice. C5 times 1.075. Now check it out. Exactly the same. Copy it down. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. So what's going on with 1.075? I mean, you can see the 0.075. That's the 7.5% sales tax. What's the 1? Well, that 1 stands for 100%. So what you're doing is you're taking 100% of the price and then adding an additional 7.5% to it. Remember, 1 is the decimal form of 100. So some students like that way, some students like that way. You get to pick your favorite. Either way is totally fine. Or maybe you do it a third way. That's cool too. All right, I think we're done with Fly Fisher's Place. No disrespect, Jeff. I love your shot, but it's time to change gears and look at baseball stats. Read on.